Let's discuss about assertive to imperative. Assertive to imperative. We know assertive sentence. If we want to change assertive to imperative, then the assertive structure will be in that position. If in that position, so subject, then if there is shall or will, should or would, and then verb plus object. In that case, imperative sentence, and if the subject is second person. If the subject is second person, then if the subject is second person in the assertive sentence, then we must begin the imperative sentence with the main verb. So the imperative sentence begins with verb, begins with main verb, and then object. I repeat, if the sentence structure in that position, assertive sentence, subject, then shall, will or should, would, and then verb, and then others, object. And if the subject is in the second person, so we must begins with the subject, So removing all the words before the subject, we must begin the sentence with verb. So this will be not used. So verb begins with verb. So verb and the rest of the sentence, object or others. Now let's see example. You should obey your teachers. So we see here subject is now is in the second person. You is the second person. So here and there is the main verb obey. So we must begin the sentence with this position, with this, from this. So the main verb obey your teachers, and should will be avoided. You should. But if the sentence is in the same position, subject, shall or will or should or would, and there is main verb and object or others. In that case, if the same position but the person is the person, if the person is first person, or third person, first or third person, then the sentence begins with, we must begin the sentence with let, and the person will be objective form here. So objective form here. So if there is I, so it will be me. If there is we, it will be us. And then the verb and object. Verb and object. The rest of the sentence. So let's see example. This is the structure if the sentence, assertive sentence begins with subject and the subject is in the first or third person. So we must use let in the imperative sentence, and then subject will be in the objective form, and then verb and object. Let's see example. We should go there. This is assertive sentence, and here the subject first person, so we must begin the sentence with let, and the we also will be changed into us as possessive, passive, as objective form, and then verb let plus object plus verb, main verb go. So go there. We should go there, let us go there. Another example we can see here. He will do his duty. Let, he will be object him, let him, and do his duty. So this is the structure of assertive to imperative.